guys, I'm Sonika. Today I'm going to click images with my Raynox DCR-250 in both manual focus and autofocus, and we'll see which gives us better results.
If you like my video guys, give me a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And now enjoy the video.
Hey guys, I'm Sonika. Today I have checked into 5 gardens of Mumbai, and today I'm going to get some macro subjects here. So we're going to click each macro subject in autofocus as well as manual focus and see which one works best for me. So let's get started. So guys, settings in autofocus, I will set my camera to 9 or single point autofocus because I don't want my camera to keep hunting for focus, and I want it to focus on a specific area only which I point to. And in manual focus, I will turn on range finder. So because of range finder, the camera will kind of hint me in which direction I should move my focusing ring so that I can get the best focus. So with these settings, we'll start clicking, and rest of the settings I will display along with each image. First, I will click 5 images in autofocus and then the same 5 images in manual focus. First, I will focus on autofocus. Now switching to manual focus. Hey guys, so it was so cool using my camera here on both autofocus and manual focus. Of course, I prefer autofocus with my Raynox guys, but sometimes I may switch to manual focus if the subject is too small or if there are a lot of distractions in my scene. Then I may go for manual focus, or else I go with autofocus and it works great. And if you like this video and found it to be useful, give me a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below about what you want to watch next on my channel. Share this video with your friends, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Also turn on the bell icon to be notified whenever I post new videos. Here is my previous vlog. Please go check it out guys. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for more such videos every Wednesday on my channel. Bye.